Welcome to Crazy Lending. Demand. Let's think once why diamonds are very expensive although basically inessential. While water is essential but cheap, or why does land in Delhi or Mumbai command very high prices while desert land in Rajasthan is virtually worthless? The answer to this and a thousand of other questions can be found in the theory of demand. This theory shows how consumer preference determine consumer demand for commodities. Utility is the one satisfying capacity. For satisfying your wants, you need resources, commodities, and goods. Without proper estimation of demand and supply, we cannot get the good results and profits for these commodities and goods. In ordinary language, demand means desire of a person for a particular commodity or service. But when coming to economics, it is more than the desire of a person. Let us consider two examples. A beggar may have willingness to pay, but he will not have ability to buy. It means he have desire, but he does not have money to buy. 2. A miser may have ability to buy, but he will not have willingness to pay. It means he have money, but he does not have interest or desire to pay. Next. Thus, effective demand depends on three types. 1. Desire. 2. Ability to buy means to purchase, and willingness to pay the price, willingness to use. Let's go for the definition. Demand for a commodity is the quantity which consumers are willing and able to buy at a given price during a given period of time. It means the quantity that the consumer want to buy and he does not force it by someone, and he have money to purchase and he should be ready to spend that money. The price which is quoted in the market during a given period of time. It means day, week, month, etc. With this combination only the demand will arise. Without all this combination, the demand does not arise. Demand is a flow. We are concerned not with a single isolated purchases, but with a continuous flow of purchases. Next, price. While talking about the demand, the price plays an important role. If price is not stated, the demand has no meaning. This is so because a consumer demands different quantities of a commodity at different prices. Next, determinants of demand. It means how to determine the demand. Let's see one by one. Price of the commodity. The demand should be determined according to the price of the commodity. Ceteris paribus, other things being equal, demand is inversely related to price. If price rise, demand falls, and if price falls, demand rise. Let us consider an example. You daily consume 2 apples. Suddenly the price of apple increases. So you consume only 1 apple. So here the demand of the apple decreases because the price of apple increases. On the other hand, the price of apple decreases. So you consume 3 apples. So here the demand for apple increases. So when the price falls, the demand increases. When the price rises, the demand falls. Let's go for another one. Prices of related commodities. Related commodities are of two types: complementary goods and substitute goods. Let's see one by one. Complementary goods. It means those goods which are consumed together or simultaneously. Example, tea and sugar. Tea and sugar used together. Without sugar, you cannot make a tasty tea. If the price of tea fall, the demand for sugar rise because the people consume more tea because the price of tea falls. So they added sugar to the tea. Automatically, the demand for sugar also increases. There is no change in the price of sugar, but there is a change in the demand of sugar because there is a change in the price of tea. So if the tea price falls, the demand for sugar increases and also the demand for tea also increases. Next, substitute. The goods which can be used in place of one for another. Example, tea and coffee. If the price of tea falls, the demand for coffee falls. It means people will try to substitute tea for coffee. The demand for tea increases and the coffee will fall. So in substitute, one good price will affect the another goods demand, which can be used as a substitute. There is no change in the price of coffee. The change in price of tea will affect the demand of coffee. So here the price of tea falls, the demand for tea rise, and also at the same time the demand for coffee falls. Let's go to the third one. Level of income of the household. If income increases, then the demand will increases. So income of people increases, demand increases. Income of people decreases, demand decreases. But in case of inferior goods, the income increases, the demand decreases. For example, you daily consume one bread. You cannot afford to buy rice. So that reason you consume bread. Suddenly your income will rise and you are able to buy the rice. So if you instead of bread you purchase rice. So here your income increases, the demand for bread decreases. In case of inferior goods, income increases, the demand decreases. Next, we'll go for the fourth one. Taste and preference of consumer. Change in taste and fashions brings about a change in the demand for a commodity. When commodity goes out of a fashion, the demand for the commodity decreases, even the price remains same. Example, a person finds a plasma TV in his friend's house. He also purchases because of his prestige and also show his richness to another friends. Next, size of population. If population is high, definitely the demand is also high. So for suppose in our country, the high population for the children, so automatically there is more demand for toys. Weather conditions. In rainy season, there is a more demand for umbrellas and less in summer season. So weather condition also affect the demand. Expectations about future. The people expect the price of commodity will rise in future. The demand for quantity now will increase because they purchase more now due to afraid of increase of prices in future. Example, the onions price will increase in future. Now they buy more quantity of onions. So this is all about demand and determinants of demand. I hope you like this video. If you want to encourage, please like and share my video and post your opinions and doubts on commented box and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.